Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today, what we're going to have is we have the Menlo package for the month of March. We'll check this out. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to open the Menlo house, Menlo Club package for the month of March. I had the rant last time about February, so I hope that this one is much better and even better than the February one. So we'll open this up now. We got the package still with tissue paper. And then, of course, this one is their sticker. And the first thing that we got is a long sleeve shirt, a blue long sleeve shirt. There you go. It's a baby blue type of thing, and it's from 5'4". And there you go. The name of this one is Ontario. It's in a medium, my size. So this one is better now. I like it. It's a simple long sleeve with a pocket on the side, on the chest area. And yeah, it's good. And then here's the back. So I like the color of this one. And good job, Menlo. Thank you very much for this. The texture of the long sleeve, it's even better. It's thicker than the shirts that I got from last time. And we got the pants, the black, a pair of pants. So there you go. So this is from 5'4", and this one is the Campus, and in size 33, which is my size. There you go. It's black. This one is the slim fit pants in black, and then it's from 5'4". There you go. I don't know if you will see that, but it's from 5'4". There you go. So it's just a simple pants with a pocket on each side, and also a pocket on the back. So yeah, I'm going to model it for you guys at the end of the video, so check that out. And then so far so good, thank you. They delivered again after my rant, so thank you very much for this one, because of course, as a consumer, I want to have a my $65 to be worth it. Like you guys, you want your $65 to be worth it. So it's really nice for them to really hear us out, hear me out of what the consumer wants. So for today, we got the long sleeve shirt and the pair of pants. So here's the look of the 5'4" long sleeve shirt in blue, and then the pants. So there you go. There's that. And then I'm going to tack this in. And then, yeah, it's really nice because the length of the sleeves is perfect. And then the pants, the length of it, it's really perfect. Because this is a slim fit pants, so that's really good. Now I'm going to show it to you that how is it going to be tucked in. Oh, this is how it looks like when it's tucked in. It's really nice. I didn't use my belt or anything. So this is how it looks like on the back. There you go. And it's really good because it goes with, and it's not too tight. Like I said before in the last video, it's comfortable. It's really comfortable on the thigh area when you sit down. So which is really perfect for work, for the things that I do. So yeah, I really like it. And the color, look at the color. I don't know if you're going to really see the color. It's a baby blue one, and then with the black pants. So that's really perfect. So I really like it. You can dress this one up or dress this one down. You can use boot, or you can use the loafers, the one I'm using right now. So which is really good, and then you can tack it in and tack it and be semi-formal with that. So that's how you that's how you're going to wear this one. Thank you very much for watching. Question of the day: what do you think of subscription packages? Are they worth it or not? Comment below so I will hear some of your opinions about it. And thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. Do what makes you happy. Bye-bye.